What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Lil Jury X, man, back with another video. I said back with another video, man. And today, man, we're finna be at the 50 disturbing moments caught on camera, man. If you new to the channel, go on, like up, subscribe, man. Hit that bell, man. I'm finna get into it. Great. Let's do it again.
Be careful. Please, your foot, please. Mama.
Hey, man. I don't see this every day, bro. This the crazy thing. The neighborhood ain't even that bad, gang. Look.
Be careful, please. Your foot, please. Mama.
Because guess what? Cops come through, they'll shoot me. Taking the arm on the wrong. Get off the
A guy and a woman were caught attempting to break into this house. Fortunately, the neighbors prevented them from entering the house. The doorbell footage with the man and woman is displayed on the video. The man plans to break into the residence with the help of his pregnant girlfriend. The resident sees this on the camera and requests the neighbor to check out the situation. When the neighbor confronts them, they begin to back away and explain how they know the residents.
Hey, what y'all doing back there? What y'all doing back there?
Nah, we got people too.
They got scared of hell, guys. Look. Look, champ. They got scared of hell. Sounds just like an old motherfucker.
The resident sees this on the camera and requests the neighbor to check out the situation. When the neighbor confronts them, they begin to back away and explain how they know the residents.
Hey, what y'all doing back there? What y'all doing back there?
Oh, damn.
How did y'all peek when y'all leaving? You want me to call the laws on you? Okay, who stay here?
Evidently, they didn't think about the possibility of being on camera. They eventually left and were not seen again.
We're gonna have to skip that chat. Those damn ads and shit. It's alright.
A camera caught a crazed man disturbing his just relocated neighbor. Around 2 months had passed since this new tenant moved in, yet the man who lived downstairs had been persistently hammering on the door.
Y'all
This
pissed that
repeated
man.
several times each day. The woman who lived there refused to open the door since
Man, why y'all pissed that man off like why y'all pissed that man off like that, gang? What y'all do to that man? He coming over there kicking on your shit like that.
she was either alone
Somebody ass getting put out. Over there, look. Shot their ass getting put out over there. They got an oven. What the hell that is? A big ass refrigerator.
or out.
Y'all better leave these folks alone before you put your ass in here.
The man would casually interrogate her about unknown people when she did open the door. He arrived one morning at 4 a.m. and began kicking the door when he didn't receive a response. Finally, the woman gave in and dialed 911. Thankfully, the police finally responded to the report and arrested the man. He must be out of prison by now, so you must take immediate action against this guy if you see him on your door. This woman in San Diego, California, was caught in a doorbell footage acting crazy and disturbing the residents. She comes into the frame boldly and knocks on the door. She breaks into the property and continues to take the package that was owned
Try to
by the
ugly him.
homeowners.
That's like really straight out. No.
Let me tell you that now.
I'm finna break this. You got a package up front. Bitch, I'm gonna open this shit right now. Bitch, you know what's going on. I swear to God, internet stuff. Oh, mama, you know she stay out. Bitch, swear to God, like, it's from the internet stuff.
To leave a message, you can do it now.
She tears open the package placed on the doorstep after grabbing it. She then takes the sign at the door and throws it away in the distance.
I'm, I swear to God, this little Andrew
Oh, she bold to hell.
I swear to God.
She going through them 4 packages while they watching.
Swear to God, the Andrew Mary's always been talking. Like Shannon. Swear to God, they can. No. Come on, huh? What in the f*** is the second I start this shit? Swear to God, like, what is this shit?
The camera captures her taking the stuff out of this parcel and leaving the residence. An unsettling woman is seen outside a home.
Gang. Ain't no way in hell she did that shit. Buddy. Bruh, shawty got away, gang. Chat, look. Shawty got away with a whole iPhone, gang.
The camera captures her taking the stuff out of this parcel and leaving the residence.
Don't care.
An unsettling woman is seen outside a home late at night, as captured by the doorbell camera. She either appears to be in need of assistance or is manipulating the residents. The woman who lives there converses with her while keeping the door shut.
Who is it?
The weird woman outside simply introduces herself as the teacher's daughter and states that she has to use the restroom.
She look thick, though.
Because I'm trying to use the bathroom. I'm the teacher's daughter.
Shawty look like
But
she
the day
look good.
before, she was seen attempting to open the door on the
told
doorbell
you.
camera. Fortunately, she was unable to. Therefore, she joined her male friend in walking away.
Man, you gotta watch these you gotta watch these cute bitches, bro. They set motherfuckers up. Oh God. These cute bitches, fine bitches, thick bitches setting niggas ass up. She ain't even thick. That bitch got a motherfucker, has got a pillow seat back there. Huh? That's some shit you sit on. But one day I had to open the door so she can get in that bitch. Let that nigga out. Crazy from. No start. I'ma go and let you know now.
She tries to
Oh, I
snatch
asked
the
they in
camera
the
to
hood.
stop it from recording and continues
Where
to
they
slam
been?
the door. She is being yelled at to stop by the woman residing in the apartment, but she begins to act out and fight back.
See, I ain't got no girlfriend, but if I had a girl with me, I mean a girl, or a bitch was there, I would tell man, go ahead and go out there and tear her ass up. Go out there and tear her ass up. Tell me what you got.
She succeeds in removing the doorbell camera.
Ooh, I ass whoop tearing up my door. She got her ass whoop tearing up my door, gang. No! Bro, she just stole the camera off the door, gang.
She was still being filmed by the stolen camera and can be seen backing away in a hurry. This doorbell video was recorded in Oklahoma City. The dog inside the home barks furiously appearing to be
Sorry.
alert to the weird, strange man
I
outside.
stole the camera.
The
Still.
man first makes an
That bitch
unsuccessful
still
attempt to
recording.
enter through the back entrance. Then, he decides to alter his plan and enter through the front entrance. He does so right away, and with success. He quickly runs through the home gathering the valuables items. He quickly exits through the back door and dashes into the waiting vehicle as soon as he hears someone. The car was described to be a red Malibu with a paper tag and an unidentified female driver. 3 men were spotted in the doorbell footage of this residence. Given that it is late at night, they make every effort to appear sly while wearing matching sweatshirts. 2 of them pick the third one in such a way that he reaches over and grabs the flag. They did not harm anyone but managed to steal the flag. Fortunately, they left afterward. Through the doorbell camera, a suspicious individual was noticed outside a residence.
I thought Brad was trying to get in the house.
Amusement at what
After
he
seeing this
demands from
video,
the
I thought
resident is
Brad was trying to get in the house, Chet.
He acts naive
Oh, man, maybe
and
you got a
appears
lot-
to be
uh,
unable to speak English when the woman inside the house asks him if he needs anything.
Hello? How may I help you?
Sorry, good night,
He continues by requesting permission to use the restroom in his shaky English. Obviously disagreeing with him, the woman says she will call the police.
can I use the bathroom? No.
No. I'm getting ready to call.
Oh,
the police.
thank you. Oh, thank you. Es que comprende, no speak English, Spanish. Yes.
We're going to call the police so they can come check the building.
No problem, no police, no, thank you.
The odd man tells her that he is from Nicaragua and that he will be fine while continuing to seem innocent.
Can I use the bathroom? I am from Nicaragua. Can I use the bathroom? ¿Puedo usar el baño? No problem, no police. Let's go, come on. Good night. Sorry. No problem.
He eventually bids her farewell and leaves. This doorbell footage shows a strange girl standing outside a house in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's late at night and she does not do anything but attempt to look inside the windows and the door. Earlier that night she came before, but again, she did not do anything. Instead, she just tried to look inside the windows. She seems to be hesitating, and it is unclear what she is up to. A mysterious girl can be seen standing outside a home in Las Vegas, Nevada in this doorbell video. She only makes an effort to look inside the door and windows despite the fact that it is late at night. She had previously arrived that evening, but again she did nothing but attempt to look through the windows. It's unclear what she is doing because she appears to be hesitant.
BK Royal Crispy Wraps. Eat it with the
I ain't trying to hear that right now. Burger King, we ain't trying to hear that right now. I'm trying to see why the hell she keep going to everybody's
Approaching
door
the
like
home's
that.
door, they appeared to be looking for their lost laptop. The woman in the back is especially untrustworthy because it appears like she is hiding something in her waistband. The resident finally asks them through the camera after patiently awaiting their request. He learns from the woman that her laptop was in his home, according to an app on her phone.
Hello?
Hi, yes, my laptop is here. Can I please retrieve that?
Your laptop is here?
Yeah.
He explains that he doesn't even know her and sounds confused.
I don't even know you.
Yeah, I know. Well, I just did a find my phone thing, and it's apparently here at this residence.
I have no idea how it would be here. I'm sorry.
He's being accused of stealing and lying by the woman. She continues to act stubborn until the man tells her that he will call the cops.
I don't know how it would be here. I don't even know you.
Okay. No, I know that. That's what people do who steal. But if you want me to
I don't know. I have no idea. I don't have a laptop. I'm going to go ahead and call the police right now then.
Yeah, I'm sure you will. Okay. Thanks. She has it.
The woman finally backs off a bit. Eventually, she leaves without creating more disturbance. This doorbell video shows a hilariously wild woman in action. She approaches the vehicle and asks what is going on. She keeps saying the same thing even though the question did not make any sense. She then abruptly extends her hand as though she were attempting to open the car's door.
What's going on over here? What is going on over here? What is going on over here? Okay? You have my people in here? Okay? What is going on over here?
The sudden encounter is unclear, and the resident seemed confused. She asks the same question as she slowly approaches the front door.
I had seen him a little often, me, gang. I ain't even gonna hold you.
You know who I am? I don't do nothing. Huh? 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 Dang. For what?
Man, what the fuck is she on? What's she on, gang?
In my house. You know who I am? What's going on out here?
She on that
Despite
good
the
dope.
fact that nothing had occurred, it appears that she is irritated with the resident. This wicked woman was caught on a doorbell video, breaking into a house and stealing the resident's grandson's toy car. The resident lets his dog loose on the woman in an attempt to frighten her, but she shows no signs of fear. Instead, she makes an effort to pet and cuddle the dog. The resident approaches the gate from the outside and waits for her to step inside so he may catch her and file a trespassing report against her. The man assures her that he will contact the police as they come face to face.
Calling the police.
I'm so sorry. I came here to take a picture of this
What do you
truck.
want of it?
I'm sorry?
What do you want of it?
I took a picture of the truck. And I made it back, and I have a key. And I'm trying to find it.
I don't care. You don't have to get in my home.
In an attempt to appear innocent, the woman apologizes and frames the incident by explaining that she simply wanted to take a photo. This doorbell footage captures a creepy woman trying to enter the house in Casey, South Carolina at 5:54 a.m.
Huh?
She seems casual about it and tries to open the door with a key as well. This shows the importance of locking doors before sleeping. There are many creeps just waiting to break into your house. This doorbell video shows a young man approaching the door, knocking on it, and then waiting for the owner. The incident took place on a bright day. man asks the resident if the lawn needs to be cut. The man eventually departs after she politely declines his offer.
I'm sorry for interrupting you. I was just wondering if y'all need our grass cut.
Oh, we're good.
Okay.
It looks like we do, but we'll do it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a nice...
However, he enters the lawn a short while afterward. Given that the only difference is that he removed his jacket, it appears to be the same man. He covers his face with the jacket and then keeps looking around the lawn. He drags the lawnmower and starts to steal it, despite the fact that the scene appears hazy.
There was a time when I barely knew how to turn on a computer. Now, I'm a cybersecurity specialist.
ECPI University, a leader in cybersecurity.
Man, hold on again.
A doorbell camera caught this crazed woman. She immediately acts violently and begins ranting at the resident after the latter declined her request. The man standing next to her begins to take control of the situation. She repeatedly kicks the door and yells aggressively at the resident.
Wait, be careful, please. Your foot, please. Mama. Relax, please. Mama, please, Mama. I know, Mama. Come on. I know. Please.
She is stopped and dragged away by the male buddy. The two people can be seen vanishing from view. This large, towering man was caught on a doorbell video late at night. The suspicious man is greeted at the entrance by a woman. When he inquires about the time, the visibly upset woman requests that she depart.
Man, y'all make sure y'all
apologizes
lock
after
up y'all
confirming
damn
that it is
houses.
private property.
Cause motherfuckers trying to get up in that bitch.
Hey, do you know what time it is?
With it being hot too.
It's private property.
Yes, it is.
I apologize. I'm so sorry.
He enters the garage as he walks out. When he explains that he has his things in the garage, the lady requests him to stop.
Leave. No, leave the property.
I spent my stuff in the garbage.
Get your stuff and go.
He is told to pack up his belongings and leave the grounds. In Memphis, Tennessee, two brothers were captured in a doorbell footage. One of them was caught by the police the previous day, but they were back together at this house where they lost something. What they lost was apparently their weapons. They knock at the residence and ask the man if they could go and search for them in the backyard, since they dropped them while running away from the police.
What's up?
Hey, my little brother done ran from the police the other day. They ran to y'all backyard. We just looking for our guns, big bro.
What?
I said, my brother and them lost their guns in your backyard yesterday. They were running from the police. Can we look in your backyard to find them?
The police was already one.
Yeah, go ahead and look right quick.
But we ain't know shit, big bro. We just trying to find our guns.
Go ahead and look right quick. I'm looking at y'all.
The man asks them to search quickly and leave. They seem to head toward the backyard. This bold guy was caught in a doorbell camera going through the owner's car. He even turned on the light and seems to be searching around for stuff.
You a real one.
He manages to get something interesting and then exits the car. As soon as he backs off the porch, a woman and a man, who were seemingly the residents, were heard yelling and stopping the guy.
You ain't trying to
The
hear
man
that.
runs away, but fortunately, he was caught on camera. These two males were seen late at night on a doorbell camera. Just a simple knock is made by the man. What must they need? While he waits for the owner to respond, the resident speaks into the camera. The man outside keeps asking him if he's home. The owner waits a moment before responding and asks about any needs.
Can I help you?
Hi, it's Officer.
Why he answer that bitch like he working fast food?
What do you need?
Everything I said was gonna happen.
What can I help you with?
Are you home? Are you home?
The two men identify themselves as police officers and prove this by displaying.
Hey man, I'm gonna go and cut this to another part of the video, bro. But for future references, bro, lock your shit up. Make sure you got some cameras. And second, don't trust no fucking body. And everybody ass goddamn crazy as hell, bro. Listen. Like this video, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. Look, if you watch this video all the way through with me, man, make sure y'all put dub. Just put a W in the chat, bro. If you watch this video all the way through, make sure you put a W in the chat, bro.